Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10, 9th chapter, some application of trigonometry. Already I have completed 13 sums. I will continue with the 14th sum. A 1.2 meter high girl, 1.2 meter high girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line of a height of 88.2 meter from the ground. So from the ground, the height of the balloon she is observing is 88.2 meter. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eye of the girl. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eye of a girl at any instant is 60 degree. At an instant is 60 degree. After some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. After some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. So, in the question itself, figure is given. Find the distance travelled by the balloon during the interval. So, we are asked to find the distance travelled between the balloon. Here we have one balloon, the other spot is the other side. So, we are asked to find the distance between the distance travelled by the balloon during the interval. Okay, so now we will take, let AB be the, let AB, not AB, let DE, this DE and this height we can take it as G. G and H we will take. Height of the balloon is DH and height of the girl is given as CG. Let HD be the height of the balloon. Height of the balloon. CG be the height of the girl. CG be the height of the girl. Therefore, height of the balloon from the site of the girl, from the site of the girl is equal to, that is DE or AB. Okay, site of the girl AB or DE is 88.2, that is the full height. 88.2 minus 1.2. 88.2 minus 1.2, that is equal to 87 meter. So this 87 meter is this one, DH. This is 87 meter. From the eye of the girl, the height of the balloon is 87 meter. Now we will take two triangles. In triangle ABC, tan 60 is equal to AB by BC. Tan 60 is equal to AB by BC. We know that tan 60 is root 3, that is equal to AB. Just now we got the value as 87 by BC. So BC is equal to 87 by root 3 meter. So this is the distance between BC. Now we will take in triangle DCE. In triangle DCE, tan 30 is equal to DE by CE. Tan 30 is this triangle we will take. So in this triangle, opposite is DE by adjacent is CE. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to DE, we got it as 87 meter. DE we got it as 87 meter by CE is, distance of CE is CB. So we will keep it as CE itself. Okay, distance of CE. So CE is equal to 87 root 3 meter. So BC is 87 by root 3 meter. CE is equal to 87 root 3 meter. But we need to find the distance between the distance travelled by the balloon only. So the distance travelled by the balloon is BE. Since distance traveled by the balloon is BE. BE is equal to, how can we write BE? CE minus BC. We got the value for CE as 87 root 3 minus BC value is 87 by root 3. If we simplify this, we'll get the distance travelled by the balloon. So this one will be 87 root 3 into 87 is 87 into 3 we will get minus 87 by root 3. So this one will be 87, if we take common, 3 minus 1 we will get by root 3. So this root 3 if we rationalize, we get root 3 by root 3. So this is 87 into 2. 87 into 2 is 7 2s are 14, 174. So this is equal to 174 root 3 by 174 root 3 by 3. So when we simplify this, 3 5s are 15, 3 8s are 24. So the answer is 58 root 3 meter. So this is the distance travelled by the balloon. That is distance between BE is 58 root 3 meter. Next sum is a straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. A straight highway leads to the foot of the tower. So this is the tower. A man standing at the top of a tower observes the car at an angle of depression of 30 degree. A man standing at the height of the tower observes the car at the angle of depression at an angle of 30 degree. Angle of depression of 30 degree, which is approaching the foot of the tower. So car is here. So that is approaching the foot of the tower with the uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. So after 6 seconds, the angle of depression is found to be 60 degree. After 6 seconds, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. So we are asked to find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. Okay, so this is the question given. So the tower, these are the information given. So we will take this as A, B, C and D. This one we will take it as X. So X, A, C and A, C, B are alternate interior angles. So we will get 30 degree here at the base. Same way XAD and ADB is 60 degree. Okay, so let AB be the height of the tower. Let AB be the height of the tower. Height of the tower. Then angle XAB is equal to angle ACB is equal to 30 degree and angle XAD, sorry, first one is XAC, first one is XAC is equal to ACB is equal to 30 degree and XAD is equal to angle ADB is equal to 60 degree. They are alternate interior angles, so they are equal. Now, here it is given 6 seconds later the angle of depression of the car is found to be CD. So that let the speed of the car from C to D be X kilometer per hour. Okay, let the speed of the car be, let the speed of the car be X kilometer per hour. Therefore, distance between CD, distance between CD is equal to, we know that speed is equal to distance by time taken. So here distance is equal to speed into time taken. So speed we have taken it as x and the time taken is after 6 seconds. So from here to here it takes 6 seconds. So it will be 6 into x. Distance between CD is equal to 6 into x. Here it is given seconds. So we will take this x as meter per second. Meter per second we will take. So here we will get the distance as distance between CD as 6 into x. So 6x. Here speed is x we have taken and time taken is 6. So we will get the distance as 6x. 6x meter. Okay. So distance between CD is 6x meter. So now we will take distance between BD. So we will take the time taken. Here it is given time taken as 6 seconds. Here we don't know. So we will take the time taken as t seconds. Okay. So time taken between DB. Let time taken between DBB t seconds. Therefore distance between DB is equal to xt, speed into time taken, xt meter. Okay, so this one we got it as 6x meter. Distance between CD is 6x we got, and distance between DB we got it as xt meter. Okay, so now we will take the triangles. In triangle ACB, that is the full triangle ACB. In triangle ACB, tan 30 is equal to opposite AB by opposite by adjacent. Adjacent is CB. Okay, tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to AB by CB is CD plus DB. Plus DB. Okay, so 1 by root 3. So AB root 3 when we cross multiply. AB root 3 is equal to CD. It is given as 6x plus, that is we have taken it as 6x plus xt. Okay, so AB root 3 is equal to, so AB is equal to x into 6 plus t by root 3. So this is the height of the tower AB. Okay, then next one is, we will take another triangle. In triangle ADB, tan 60 is equal to AB by DB. AB is, tan 60 is root 3 is equal to AB by DB is xt. So AB is equal to root 3 into xt, that is xt into root 3. So this is the distance of AB. We got it. This is also distance of AB according to tan 30. Then this one is according to tan 60. We got it as AB is equal to x2 root 3. Since both are the height of AB, we will equate it. So when we are equating it, we will get x into 6 plus t by root 3 is equal to xt root 3 is equal to xt root 3. Okay, so 6x plus tx is equal to, when we cross multiply this, root 3 into root 3 will become 3xt. Okay, so 6x is equal to 3xt minus xt. This tx I am bringing it to other side. So we will get 2xt. I get 6x is equal to 2xt. So this x will get cancelled. 2 also 3 times will get cancelled. So time taken, we will get it as 3 seconds. 3 seconds is the time taken we got. We have taken the time taken between DBB t seconds. So that t seconds we got it as 3 seconds. So time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. That is time taken from D to B is 3 seconds. This is only we are asked to find. Next sum is the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of a tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary. So this is the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points. This is the tower. Angle of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points. So this is one point. This is another point. This is another point. At a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower. So this is 4 meter and this one is 9 meter. This is 9 meter from the base of the tower. This is 4 meter and the full distance is 9 meter from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary. So we know that sum of any two angles is 90 degree, then we will say it as complementary angles. We will say those two angles are complementary angles. So one is theta, we don't know what angles is that. So one is theta, the other one is 90 minus theta. So this angle is theta and the other angle is 90 minus theta. Okay, so now we will take the height of the tower as A, B, P and Q. A, B, P and Q will take. Let AB be the height of the tower. Height of the tower. PB be the distance 9 meter from the tower, from the base of the tower, from the base of the tower, and QB be the distance 4 meter from the base of the tower. From the base of the tower. Okay, so now we will get two triangles we will get. So in triangle APB, tan theta. In triangle APB, tan theta is equal to AB by PB. AB by PB. So tan theta is equal to AB is the height of the tower by PB distance. We know that it is 9. Okay. Then next one is in triangle AQB. AQB tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta is AB by QB. Tan 90 minus theta is AB by QB. So we know that tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Cot theta is equal to AB by QB distance. We know that it is 4 meter, that is given in the question. So now this one will take it as the first equation and this one as the second equation. So now we will multiply first and second equation. Multiplying 1 and 2. First and second equation we will multiply. So tan theta, LHS is tan theta into cot theta will get. Tan theta into cot theta will get. And on the RHS we get AB by 9 into AB by 4. So tan theta and cot theta are opposite, that is tan theta into cot theta we can write it as 1 by tan theta. So tan theta and cot theta will get cancelled, we will get 1 is equal to AB by 9 4s are 36. AB square we will get. AB into AB is AB squared by 9 4s are 36. So AB square is equal to 36. So AB is equal to root 36, that is equal to 6 meter. So the question is what we are asked to prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. So we got AB as 6 meter, that is the height of the tower. We got it as 6 meter. That is the thing we are asked to prove. Okay. So with this, I am completing today's class. This exercise is over. All the sums in this exercise are very, very important, and diagram is mandatory. Okay. In the board exam, 1 mark is given for drawing this diagram. So first draw the diagram. From that we can do the sums easily. Okay. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.